up YouTube? It's your boy Catloco. So just give me a little quick update what's going on with the project. I got everything painted. It's a little dusty right now, but that's pretty much. I got the pearl black. I got the pearl black on the timing covers. I got red right there. See the valley? These are very dusty right now, so you can't really see the true color. But yeah, you can see the dust. But that's how we're looking right now. All that's painted. I still gotta do the pistons. Start painting the heads. Gotta clean this up. Down here. We got the heads painted black. That's why I be cleaning mineral spirits. The garage is a mess from working. But right now I got the crank polished. But on this one right here, I can kind of feel, not really with a fingernail, I can feel a groove. Like, I think on the 6.0, this is the problem. This got scratched. So I want to polish this down a little more so I don't feel anything on here. The rest of these are smooth. But this one here, kind of concerned about that journal. And over here, I actually have the plastic gauge underneath here, so I can measure my clearance. So I'm gonna torque that down, check the readings on the plastic gauge, and see where we're at. The 5.3 I have no worry about. This thing is pretty much brand new on the inside. I just fucked up my plastic gauge, but I'm gonna check that out. But yeah, this is the only one I have concerns about right now. It spins and everything, but I don't have a fingernail groove or anything, but I definitely want to polish this a lot more. Hit it with some 400 or maybe some 1200, but the rest of these are fine. And for all you guys who doesn't know what plastic gauge is, this is what you use to measure your clearance of your bearings. And it looks like this. You just snip that off on the length of your journal. Cut it, put it on there, bolt it down to spec, and then you measure it on here against the little gauge, the little ruler, to check out your clearances. Yeah, so besides that one journal that I'm worried about, everything's going pretty good. Everything's painted. We're back in reassembly now. I got the cranks in. I'm doing plastic gauge. I still got to clean up where the paint came over. We're gonna put it in the cam, put it in the oil pan, and then we'll start working on the heads. And that's pretty much it for now. And as far as the head goes, right now I started cleaning up the valves. I just hit it with some, what did I got, Scotch Brite pad to clean it up, just so these things can actually stick when I'm doing the valve lapping. I already did the lapping on this head. I haven't touched this side yet. I still gotta clean up the deck right now. So yeah, like I said, so I started the valve lapping on one head. I still got to do this head, and then I also got to do the 5.3 head. This is a 6.0 heads. I still got to clean all this up. It's clean, but it has like a little bit of paint or something on it. Actually, it's a little gasket material. So all this still got to get cleaned. It's just degreased right now. But yeah, dude, I'm gonna do the valve lapping. The springs are out. I'll put my new springs, the Pac 12 springs going in here. I gotta do my rockers. That's getting a trunnion upgrade. And pretty much once the heads are on, the engine's basically done. I'm doing the bottom end first, throwing a cam in there, and then slap the heads on, and then we'll be pretty much ready to go and start testing the block. You can see how dirty the mineral spirits got for me cleaning up stuff. These are clean. I'm not going to worry about polishing the caps because I mean they're going to be soaked in oil anyway. But that's just a quick update. Let you know where I'm at. I'm doing the bottom end reassembly. I got a lot of work to do on the heads. I got to do all the piston rings, clean up the pistons, and that's it, man. But as always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.